Hi Karen, how are you?
Hi Lily, I'm fine, thank you. How is your trip?
It was great.
Did you go by plane?
No, we went by train. Traveling is very popular nowadays. People travel a lot. They use different kinds of transport to reach their destinations. Let's have a look at the kinds of transport. 1. Boat. 2. Train. 3. Helicopter. 4. Steamboat. 5. Bus, coach. 6. On foot. 7. Jet airplane. 8. Bike. 9. Ship. 10. Yacht. 11. Canoe. Make up 5 sentences with these words. Besides the transport, we may also use some idioms to describe our trip. Try to guess their meaning. 1. Be in the same boat. Be in the same situation. 2. Drive someone up the wall. To make somebody angry. 3. Flying high. Very happy or successful. 4. Hit the road. To go away.